Hey there, welcome back to Figma course, learning Figma as a developer to gain confidence. Let's continue our journey. In case you are new here, try to see previous videos so that you can get full understanding. Let's go ahead and get started. Well, so far in this video, I'm planning to show you two things. First of all, local variables. Click on variable, color. You can create four type of variable, I guess. You can select a color, maybe this mm, maybe this one. Now see, if I try to if I try to give one color to this, and then I give one another color to this, and later on I decide, okay, I want to maybe there are 100 shapes in my entire project like this. Changing colors in each shape makes it hard. Why not to just click on this instead of adding a new field? Why not to click on this here and select the color we defined in local variables? Again, or here as well. Now, if local variable color get changed, it gets changed. Easy peasy. For pen tool, it's the most time consuming thing it will take to you get master at pen tool. The most confusing thing I have ever worked with Figma. I mean, learned during working with Figma. Click on pen tool, select it. Wherever you take the mouse, it's like it's following you. It will go wherever you will go. See, it's going me. Now I can just click entirely. Okay, all right, Ajmin. What you mean we can do custom shapes with this pen? Yeah, my friend. With shapes, we are restricted. With pen tool, we are not. It's a freehand tool. Use it however you like. If I click on done, I can change the colors. If I select it and give fill, it will not work. Why, Ajmin? Why it will not work? The reason is we have drawn our shapes, but we haven't closed it to the point where we started. We have to. Once we do it, it's a complete shape now. If I just click on fill, the color kicks in. So make sure if you want to give fill colors, just try to somehow close it. It will just work like breeze. Perfect, perfect. One of the greatest thing in Figma that will help you a lot. If there is a two shapes, maybe another one, you want to know how much, what is the space between these two boxes. So you want to compare it, and then based on that, you want to give some pixels in your code. Just keep hold click on your alter button of your keyboard. In case you are on Mac, click on option and take your mouse to another shape. It will show you that it's 315 pixel away from the first one. Same for this one. If you have another shape, maybe ellipse. So once you select it, if you take to this, it will show you um, the difference, the space. If you take your mouse, make sure to hold your alt or option key. It will show the difference or the space between the shapes. It really a lifesaver. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. Now, the only thing remaining here is this. By the way, Figma is very, very big, gigantic umbrella. With this, we have components, we have this masking, we have union section, a lot of stuff. As a UI developer, we may need these things, but this is a kind of a crash course where you want to understand the basics as a developer, and explaining those things doesn't make any sense. So I'm leaving those things on your shoulder. Just try to do a little research in case you need. Then it will be a great um, understanding. In case you have a business idea, you can draw it on your own. Click on this and click on this plugin. Now we have components, plugins, widgets. From the plugin list, we can search for a plugin. Figma has a lot, ton of hundreds and maybe thousands of plugins, and those are pretty powerful. We can take images, we can take icons, we can convert our design into code within few clicks. We have a lot of plugins here. Now, if you go to Google and search for top Figma plugins, you will get a list of plugins what you can install. I mean, basically, you can just use, and you can make your process a little bit more faster. You can utilize full power of Figma. Now, I cannot name one plugin here because there are a lot of great plugins out there in the market. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. Once you get those plugin from some of the YouTube videos, you'll learn how to use those plugin. If I just try to make videos for a plugin, I have to make at least 25 more videos maybe to explain you the features and functionalities provided by the plugins. Make sure you watch some videos to get understanding. And I guess my internet is not working, that's why it's not loading. Anyways, leave it. Let's talk it a little bit more. Okay, it came. So what I'm trying to say is watch some videos on those plugins, learn it, use it, understand the process, and that's it. That's how you can unlock full potential of Figma and try to work with the code a bit more. I mean, design a bit more. If I search here, one of the most useful plugin of mine is Feather. Feat Feather icons. Once I just click on run, it will loading feather icons. It will take some seconds based on your internet connection and few other things. It will load the extension on top of your design or on top of your canvas, and you can use that extension. So this video is already long. In the next video, which is the last one, I'll try to show you the dev mode so that you understand as a developer how can you utilize this dev mode and you can get maximum information. Let's go ahead and try to see that dev mode. I'm gonna surely catch you up in the next one.